How to increase outdated homes' value and get up to 20% higher return at resale. Did you know that 78% of all expired listings has photos that distract buyers? With outdated and cluttered look. Under renovation phase. New construction homes without finishes. Do you want to increase the offer's value by 10 to 20%? That's $100,000 on a $1 million property. Don't worry, we have a secret tool to enhance the visual appeal of listings and without physically altering the property. Spotless Group has the solution for you. Step 1. High-quality photos. You can create a stunning listing without physical furniture removal or decluttering. Start by taking high-quality photos that capture the essence of the home as it is. Step 2. Virtual furniture removal. Send us the as-is photos so we can professionally clear your photos of outdated furniture, clutter, and construction garbage. Which is important before you start the next step. Check out the video about this process. Step 3. Virtual renovation. Virtual renovation enhances property appeal without physical changes, using digital tools to visualize potential updates. This service aids marketing by showcasing property potential, attracting more attention in the competitive real estate market. Let's see how virtual renovation assists various players in the real estate industry. Realtor. Present properties attractively to lure potential buyers. Virtual renovation services showcase property potential realistically. Transform outdated properties for enhanced online presence and increased interest. Real estate broker. Stand out in the market with eye-catching property listings. Refresh listings with virtual renovation services, attracting a broader audience. Add a modern touch to properties to set them apart. Homeowner planning renovations. Visualize renovations before committing to changes. Virtual renovation services provide a realistic preview, aiding decision-making. Envision a transformed home without starting construction. Real estate investors and flippers. Increase property appeal for higher value. Virtual renovation services help visualize and market potential to attract buyers. Maximize property value and returns without excessive cost. Check out the video about other 5 virtual rendering services from Spotless Group that increases value of your property. Property management company. Elevate rental unit appeal to attract tenants. Virtual renovation services showcase units for compelling online presentations. Remodeling Contractor. Aid client communication by showcasing proposed renovations visually. Collaborate effectively with clients during planning with virtual renovation services. Property developer. Showcase completed projects without physical changes for enhanced marketing. Transform development visions into compelling realities to attract buyers. As a result, professional virtual renovation attracts much more prospective buyers who are emotionally involved and willing to buy for a higher price. Properties renovated and staged by the Spotless Group typically sell within 2 to 4 weeks of listing and fetch up to 20% more. Want to sell outdated or under renovation real estate at top dollar price? Sign up for a free consultation about virtual renovation in order to showcase full property potential and get involved buyers ready to pay a higher price.